Hey YouTubers, this is Helen's House and Garden. I'm Helen and this is day 3 of feeding Freddie, the sourdough starter. So day 3, feeding Freddie, the sourdough starter. Things you're going to need for this, obviously Freddie. And a chopstick for stirring, some kitchen scales, water and your strong bread flour. So here we go, very simple. Let's have a look, see how Freddie's actually doing. Now yesterday I changed over the elastic band that I had on here to a hairband because I think it shows you better, and as you can see Freddie is actually risen up to here now, and so that's a really good sign. That's quite quick. Because we're only on day 3. That's a good sign that Freddie is starting to ferment. Let's have a look. So in the top we can see that there's bubbles and we've got a little bit of liquid around there. Doesn't quite smell sour, but it does smell slightly different to how it was on day 1 and 2. All good signs. The little bit of water in there, that's a sign that the fat sourdough actually needs feeding. So Freddie's hungry, so let's give him some food. Just going to pop him on the scales and just zero those scales. And it's the same, 50 grams of flour and 50 ml of water. So let's see if I can get it in there without disturbing everything. Right, the same again because that was 25. So we don't need to be hugely precise, and that's bang on 50 grams. Shut your lid on the jar because the one time you don't, you will knock it flying. I've done it. And then because water weighs the same in grams as it is in mils, I'm just going to top up the scales without having to bother changing it, so it's 100 grams on the scales. And again, try and be accurate, but if you go over a little bit, it's no worry whatsoever. And that's all it is to it from the weighing. And then straight in, give it a really good stir. And now it's going to be more of a doughy consistency as we're doing that. Once you've given Freddie a good stir, or whatever name you've decided to name yours, I hope you have named your sourdough starter. Give it a name, you're much more likely to remember and not forget and keep your sourdough starter alive. Pop that out of the way, just wipe that off onto a towel, and then back on with your lid. And with using these lids we can tighten them up because this is one of the lids which the nipple on the top allows for any gases to naturally ease out of the jar. So the main contents of the jar are around about there, so we're moving up the hairband marker, and there you go, just pop it on the side of the counter, and then I'll see you back to feed Freddie day 4. So if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, ring the bell if you'd like to have updates of my next videos. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments below and I'll do everything I can to help you out. Nothing's a silly question, just ask. If you get stuck, if you're confused about something, just flag it up in comments and I'll get back to you. So see you tomorrow for day 4 of feeding Freddie.